What if one AI could power call centers, transcribe medical notes, analyze speech, translate conversations, and even run voice agents and wearables, all faster than anything you've seen before? That's exactly what Soniox is doing. In today's video, I'm going to show you why companies in healthcare, media, customer service, and even wearable tech are switching to Soniox. We'll look at how it transforms call center operations, produces near-perfect medical and media transcripts, performs real-time speech analysis, and even handles multilingual translation and voice automation. If you work with audio in any form, this tool will change the way you operate. Unlike Google and OpenAI that need separate models for each language, Soniox runs one universal model. With this, you can switch languages mid-sentence, mix dialects and accents, spell out codes and names, and everything will be processed in real time.
Thank you so much and schönen Tag.
Danke, sag auf Wiedersehen.
Sag auf Wiedersehen.
Ladies and Gentlemen, das heißeste Covermodel der Welt, Dash McMahon!
Sie wissen, dass Sie nicht Dash sind, oder? Dash ist eine Figur, die ich erfunden habe. Okay. Oh, Mist.
Miss Sage, Ihr Buch über die verlorene Stadt hat mir gefallen und ich glaube, Sie können mir helfen, den Schatz zu finden.
You know, having Daniel and then seeing what he was going to bring to it all of a sudden gave it such gravitas, and like we felt like we were legitimate. Because Channing and I are not legitimate. We're just, you know, idiots in the corner. But Daniel came on and just legitimized us.
Unbelievable.
Soniox delivers real-time transcription that is truly real-time. No buffering, no batch processing, just token-level transcription in milliseconds. Captions appear before speakers finish their words, with under 200 milliseconds latency. While other tools wait for full sentences, Soniox streams every word instantly, making live captions and calls feel truly instant.
Good morning. Thanks for calling customer support. Can you please provide your account number?
Sure. It's ACRB 127719. I'd like to change the address associated with it to 13B Ashwood Lane, apartment 5A, Greendale 10117.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your account ID is ACRB 127719, and the new address is 13B Ashwood Lane, apartment 5A, Greendale 10117.
Yes, that's correct. One more thing. My license plate number is still listed as BE444080, right?
Understood. I've updated your address. And yes, BE444080 is your currently listed license plate number.
Now let's talk about translation, because Soniox finally does it right. This is the first true any-to-any speech translation system. Over 60 languages, every combination, all happening while people speak. No waiting for sentences to end. You get mid-sentence, natural-sounding translation in real time. And with just one API call, Soniox handles transcription, translation, and speaker detection all at once. It's fast, accurate, and unbelievably smooth.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. Let's start by talking about your experience with the new app.
Ciao, I really like the interface, ma alcune funzioni sono un po' complicate da trovare per chi è meno esperto.
안녕하세요. 저는 앱의 색상과 디자인이 좋다고 생각합니다. 하지만 반응 속도가 조금 느린 것 같아요.
Thank you both. That's very helpful. Can you share a suggestion on what would make the app easier to use?
Penso che aggiungere una guida rapida o tutorial brevi potrebbe aiutare molto gli utenti nuovi.
또한 앱의 알림 기능을 조금 더 명확하게 표시하면 사용하기 편리할 것 같아요.
Excellent. We'll take note of that. Thank you for your feedback. It gives us a lot to improve on.
Soniox doesn't just transcribe, it remembers. It pulls from previous conversations, notes, and reference docs to stay aligned with the full story. Add your domain terms, from SOFR to complex medical terminology, and Soniox captures them perfectly in real time. Say goodbye to embarrassing mistakes like force majeure when you meant force majeure.
Hi Claire, I wanted to check on the status of the latest shipment.
Bonjour, la cargaison est partie hier, mais il y a eu un léger retard au port.
Do you know how long the delay will be?
environ 2 jours supplémentaires selon les douanes et le transporteur.
Alright, thanks Claire. Keep me updated if anything changes.
With Soniox, you can build in your language and deploy globally in minutes, automatically supporting 60+ languages. It's SOC 2 Type 2 certified, HIPAA compliant, and processes data region-specifically in the US, EU, or Japan, so your data never leaves your chosen region. One API scales effortlessly from Tokyo to Sao Paulo, delivering native-level accuracy everywhere. Tested side by side with ElevenLabs. Same audio, and here is the live results.
Hey everyone! Today we're going to do a quick test to see how Soniox and ElevenLabs perform side by side in real-time speech-to-text AI. On the left side I have Soniox, and on the right side I have ElevenLabs. I've got Leo here with me. He'll speak in English and Italian, so let's see how both models perform.
Hello, my name is Leo, today is my birthday. Sì, ho molta fame e vorrei ordinare una pizza. Oh, strano, non riesce a scrivere, invece io vorrei ordinare una pizza, però lui proprio non scrive in italiano, allora un pizzaiolo italiano in questo momento non potrebbe capire cosa ho scritto. Interesting, he's just switching and staying on English. I will try another word. Ho chiamato un amico per dirgli che oggi è il mio compleanno, volevo invitarlo. I see that it's not working. He's still in English.
Yes, I can see that ElevenLabs has serious problems. Let me try a few things in Slovene. Živijo, me slišiš? Sedaj govorim po slovensko. Ok. Ja, torej se govorim po slovensko. Me slišiš? Kaj sem rekel? Ja. Ponovno. So we can see it was translating again instead of transcribing. So something seems to be off with ElevenLabs speech-to-text AI. The result speaks for themselves. Which models would you use?
And that's why Soniox is changing the game. Real-time transcription, natural translations, context that remembers, and global deployment in minutes. Whether you're building call center tools, medical apps, or voice-powered devices, Soniox makes it effortless. Ready to experience it yourself? Get your API key for Soniox in just 30 seconds and start transforming how you work with speech today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools and tutorials here on Ray Creators Lab.